Hi viewers, I am Dr. Madhu, working as an associate professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at SNS College of Technology. In this video, we are going to see the case study on industrial safety. This is a very important one. It's a very important topic because everybody should know about the various safety aspects which is followed in the industries. Not only that, suppose if they are not following, what will happen in the environment and also in the human purpose, human things. So that everybody should know about this. And in this topic, before that, before going to the industrial's real case study, we should know the various industrial core sectors. We know there's a lot of industries such as energy, power, petroleum, metals, cement, coal, and defense production. These are the various core sectors. Out of this, we know it's the telecom industries, IT industries, automobiles, and textile industries also there. So these are all the major industrial core sectors which is in our country. And in this industries, it's some of the domains which is including it's a storage, whereas the raw materials, it may be the solid, liquid, or gaseous stages which will be stored, and the process plants and machinery and utilities, finished products, peoples. So these are the such some domains where the peoples which will be worked directly. So in these domains we have to maintain some of the rules and regulations to avoid the accidents in order to protect our human life. And in the industrial accidents, it's a majorly the industrial accidents that is caused by the chemical, mechanical, civil, and electrical, and in some process failures due to accident, negligence, or incompetence in an industrial plant, which may spill over to the areas outside the plant, causing damages to the life and also to the properties nearby located areas. And industrial accidents, that is the manufacturing and formulation installations, including during commissioning. It's a lot of accidents which has happened but due to the improper commissioning, erections, maintenance, and improper disposals of its waste, and in some cases the material handling and storage in manufacturing facilities. So these are also the some of the factors for making for the industrial accidents. And these are the some of the major threats such as fire, explosion, toxic release, poisoning. In some industrial cases, these are all happening, making threat to the human life. And the probable causes of accidents, these are the some of the points listed where the process deviations parameters with related to the state of substances, and runaway reactions, hardware failures, and boiling liquid expanding favor explosions. So these are the some of the probable causes of accidents. Out of this, electrical failure, cutting, welding, open flames, carelessness, poor housekeeping, and in some cases smoking also the important factor. So if the anything happened in our industries, so what are the effects which will that is two, it's the living organisms which will affect, and also environment also which will affect. The living organisms means that is a human, and some other living things, birds and animals also, which will be affected, maybe death, injury, or permanent diseases. And another side, the environment which will be polluted by soil and water bodies, and some environment pollutions. So this will cause the pollutions. So these are the two major effects due to the industries, and major consequences, that is loss of life, impact on livestock, damage of flora, fauna, environmental impact, air, soil, and water, and financial losses also, very important things. And we all know about Popal caste strategy. That is, it is a very big issue in our in India. It is a very chemical explosions, and it was happened at 1984 of December 2nd. So it's a very worst disaster in our Indian history, and more 2,000 people are died immediately, and almost another 13,000 people died in next 15 years. and 5 lakhs 20 diagnosed chemicals in blood, 10 to 15 percentage dying in every month, around 1 lakh 20,000 people are still suffering from cancer, tuberculosis, partial or incomplete blindness, post traumatic stress disorders, and also menstrual irregularities. So these are all happened. It's a very worst accident in our history. And the causes of accident, it is the release of methyl isocyanate, because in this case the chemical reactor, where the water is entering into the chemical reactor, where the water is reacted with methyl isocyanate, and it's also due to this mixing, the temperature has released up to 200 degrees Celsius. That's why the pressure also increased, and there is one pressure control valve. When it is exceeding, then automatically that will open to avoid accidents. So at that time, the control valve that has been opened and the explosions has been started. So it's enormous release of chemical components. It causes very dangerous, and the risk of control measures, directly we can control by physical protection, procedural protection, and educational protections. And what is physical protections? It's a strict rigorous approach, building safety devices, venting and field monitoring, and burning waste gases in a flare system. By applying this, we can control. And procedural means fire emergency procedure, disaster, mutual, no smoking policy, investment of all investigations, hazard identification, work permit system, safety promotional activities. By this way we can control. And also educational system means periodic training we can give, and mock fire safety manuals, health and safety news bulletin, then safety motivation schemes, plant operation manual, educating the public living near the our systems. So by the way we can control this. Thank you.